Hello students, I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to the online class of chemistry. In the first session we have studied about chemistry and its importance. And in this session we will study applications of chemistry in different industries. So let's start. First is food industry. Chemistry has a major role to play in the food industry. It tells us about the changes that happens inside our body. Nutrients present in food are chemicals, and these nutrients are digested inside our body with the help of digestive juices. The next point is analyze the nutritive value of food. We see a list of nutrients on the food packages and their quantity. So this analysis helps the manufacturer to increase its nutritive value. The next is developing food additives. What is food additives? Food additives enhance the look, taste, flavor, aroma and shelf life of food, like flavoring agents. Flavoring agents add flavor to the food, like rose water and saffron are natural flavoring agents. Coloring agents, they give color to the food. Turmeric and beetroot are natural coloring agents, and some artificial coloring agents are used in the sweets and ice creams. Food preservatives. Food preservatives help the food to prevent from spoilage, and they increase their shelf life also. Like from the ancient times, we are using salt and sugar for making pickles and jams. So salt and sugar are natural food preservatives, and some chemicals we use as food preservatives, they are the artificial food preservatives, like we use sodium benzoate in jams and vinegar in pickles. Now they are helpful or useful. Chemistry is useful in food processing also. Food processing, in which the nature of food is changed through some chemical and physical processes. For example, cheese is prepared from milk. So cheese can be stored for a longer time as compared to milk. In cheese we add some chemicals and then in milk we add some chemicals and then we heat it and it converts into cheese. Now the next type of industry is clothing industry, in which chemistry is very helpful. So clothing industry involves the manufacture of many products such as clothes, bed sheets, curtains, sweaters, etc. So in clothing industry we use two types of fibers, the natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers such as cotton, jute and silk are obtained from animals and plants. Due to an increase in population and scarcity of natural fibers, synthetic fibers were invented. So chemistry has played a major role in the invention of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers were invented with the help of chemicals. So first semi-synthetic fibers that was invented was rayon. It was made from a natural polymer called cellulose and by adding chemicals in cellulose. So natural fibers are very porous and they are very comfortable. They absorb the heat in summer and they trap the heat in winter. But synthetic fibers are not very comfortable, but they are stronger and they are cheaper. Now the next industry in which chemistry is helpful is medicine industry. So in medicine industry, the first application is in the diagnosis of a disease. In the diagnosis of a disease, we perform many diagnostic tests with the help of a chemical. The next application is in manufacturing of new medicines. So while manufacturing new medicines, research of chemicals involves. So new medicines are very helpful for us. Now different medicines contain different chemicals. We know that for different diseases we need different types of medicines. Like antibiotics contain paracetamol, which helps to reduce fever, and antibiotics such as penicillin and streptomycin kills the germs in our body and helps to cure the infection. The next is in decreasing the harmful effect of drugs. If there are any harmful effect of the medicines, the chemist modified and minimized the harmful effect caused by the chemicals. The next is for sterilization and sanitation. Many chemicals like alcohol, phenol are used for the sterilization and disinfection. Now the next type of industry is cosmetics industry, in which chemistry is very helpful. Cosmetics are the products that can be used to clean, protect and enhance our appearance. So since ancient time we are using things like rose petals, milk and turmeric for increasing or improving our skin texture. Nowadays, cosmetics are made in industries using chemicals. Soap, talc, shampoo, moisturizers, deodorants, sunscreens, they all are some commonly used cosmetic items and they all are made up of chemicals. Now the next type of industry is fertilizer and pesticide industry. Fertilizers are chemical substances that are added to the soil to improve its fertility and enhance the growth of plants. And fertilizers replace the minerals that are taken from the soil by growing plants. Different fertilizers provide different nutrients which are needed for the plant's growth. And pesticides are the chemical substances that help to keep the pests such as rats, insects and microorganisms away from plants and thereby protecting the plants from the damage. Now the next type of industry is soap and detergent industries. So soap and detergents are cleansing agents that we commonly use in daily life. Soaps were made from natural fatty acids obtained from plants and animals. Detergents were made using chemicals obtained from petroleum. Both soaps and detergents have same cleansing mechanisms, but detergents are more effective because their cleansing action is more, so they are preferred over soaps. Now the next industry is plastic industry. Plastic is a polymer which is extensively used in making a number of things like we use in our daily life, like the scale, your pens, your water bottles, your pencil boxes. So these all are made up of plastics. So plastics are made from chemicals obtained from petroleum oil. The most common plastic we use is polythene. It is made from a monomer ethene. And plastics are very helpful for us because plastics, we can add any color to the plastics. They are lightweight and they are corrosion free. So plastics are very helpful for us. So this completes our chapter, and home assignment for today is name any 3 industries in which chemistry is useful, and the second question is write any 3 application of chemistry in the field of medicines. I request you to watch this video again and again And till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.